Heading up Yankee Basin on the foot trail. It's cleared up. It's nice. Wind's picking up a little bit, but it is yet another very stunning place. Very stunning. Well, here we are on the trail, heading up Yankee Basin a little further. This is the surface we have to contend with. You gotta watch your step, or you could easily turn an ankle or fall and bust a kneecap. Made the acquaintance of a young gentleman from San Francisco who was running across this stuff and doing so competently, as competent as a bighorn sheep. Anyway, we still got a ways to go. Just wanted you to have an appreciation for the surface that we're walking on. He's getting his share of calories. Another angle at higher altitude. A dry lake. I think we're officially mountain climbing.
Excellent.
I don't know what the official angle for mountain climbing is, but that's steep. We are now crawling up this mountain, not walking up. But as we get closer to the top, the scene just gets far more epic. And we're almost touching the clouds. That's pretty incredible. Not bad for an old man. I won't speak for my wife, but well, she just said it herself. Well, we're gonna try to get to the top. It looks like another 100 yards. We'll see. Well, me and my girl made it. We're short of breath. I'm dizzy because I'm old. But wow, what a hike. What a climb. Down there, hey, you can see it. I'm bringing it in focus is our wee little GX. I think we're right at 13,000 feet here. But wow. But check this out. This climb became, here's my beautiful girl. We did it together. This climb became also this Blue Lakes epic view. Okay, it's time for the next leg of our epic journey. This should be pretty interesting. Now we've got to get down there. Think we can do it? But hey, we got up here. It's okay if we don't. This is just fantastic. Okay, here's a good view of the trail. Switchbacks. Next level below us. Back on the trail. Stuffy. Okay. I think we made it down the most treacherous part. There was no videoing there. We needed to crawl down with our hands in some places. While I'm up here, look at this vegetation. It's beautiful. And the rest of the crawl looks a little easier. I think we'll make it. Puppy. I don't know. That looks like somebody's old damn bunny. Let the rain fall. Hopefully you can see it. We're gonna have ourselves an early sundown here in just a minute. If the sun emerges behind those clouds, it should be epic.
You're leaving and I'm not ready yet. I'm eating my apple.
How was eating your apple preventing us from moving?
Because I gotta get out of the car down here.
You gotta get what? One obstacle at a time. Should be a fun descent. Fun climb. Bye, Marmot. Enjoyed your company.
Bye.
You other little critters who I don't know what you are, but you're really cute. Have a good one.